Hello and you wish, pal. Welcome to Shaking Things Up, where our motto is, why eat it when you can drink it? Tonight we're going to have a fun quiz about blenders, and stick around because later on we're going to talk about the best recipes for blending your prime rib. But first, Falacci Tutorials, brought to you by Viva Kleenex, where our motto is, strength and durability comes second to art.
Science is not restricted to a laboratory, but open to the world of exploration. Come, join us, and find the way to discovery. Push the frontier, and be absolutely and extraordinarily blown away.
Good morning. My name is Dr. Andrew Falacci, and welcome to this morning's tutorial. You know, throughout my years of research, I have yet to come to a point where I've worked on a project and an experiment that is so confusing and ambiguous as the one I'm currently working on. So rather than draw up a long list of terms and procedural methods, I figured the best way to explain this experiment to you would be to show you firsthand. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. Goggles? Let's go. So we are here at the George Washington University West Hall Laboratory on the second floor, and we're going to explain the procedural methods behind our latest experiment dealing with the correlation between the prices of paper towels and the quality of paper towels. So what we did is we took 5 brands of paper towels from your neighborhood store, specifically Target in Southeast DC, and we analyzed their conditions and their performances under 3 different circumstances. The first being a normal circumstance. So you take the paper towel and you just take it off of the roll, and that is your normal paper towel. Then we put the paper towels in water, and then finally we folded the paper towels. Now, the way we analyze the various performances of the paper towels is we put them over a spheric container taped, if you can come closer, with this adhesion particle down here. And this is so that we can accurately display the weight coming down on the paper towel, and we have a weighted scale here that was zeroed at the beginning of the experiment. So what we would do, this is a normal paper towel, this is a Viva Kleenex brand, as you can see by the beautiful illustrations. They are culturally depicted on the towel. And so what we would do is we would take this ballpoint pen here, and we would press down like so on the towel until the surface was lacerated. Now, we would have a weight, and that weight would be calculated, and basically that was our measuring point for the towels. So if you bear with me for a second, I'm going to show you exactly how we did it. Is the room ready?
Yes.
And that is it. So we got a calculation. This scale is not turned on. But we would have got a calculation and then put that into our Excel table. So before we go, just to give you a understanding of exactly how we came to this procedure, watch carefully as I take the paper towel off the roll. Okay. Now, in order to wet it, we put it in water. And then strain it, just gently enough so that enough water gets off of the paper towel and it is able to be correctly placed over the spherical surface here. Like so. Now, the folding of the paper towel was very difficult. We folded it triangularly, 3 times across, and then 3 times on the opposite side. And that gave us basically a nice crease here, and that was, it weakened the paper towel, and so our readings did reflect that. So that is how, and of course it was all connected and all by this adhesion tool here. So thank you for viewing my tutorial here today, and we look forward to seeing you sometime soon. Have a nice one.
Baby.